They put these ribbons up to let everybody know to not park in this area. And they've been, they're restriping this property. But this side here, anything on this side is getting towed. This whole section has been cleared. You can see all the cars that have been moved out of this section right here. People that were not compliant and didn't move their cars, they're getting towed. That's just what it is. We got two more to go. Yeah. What's going on, man?
Y'all towing it?
You see the ribbons, man. I mean, I ain't trying to be smart, man, but all these cars are being moved because of the because of the project. I know, but
I didn't even know. Nobody came and knocked on the door or nothing.
Well, they've knocked, man, and they've been doing this 3 days.
Yeah, but not right here.
Well, the ribbon was up last night. They put the ribbon up last night. Yeah. Wow. See, hey, you were doing real good, man. And she told me, what the fuck's this? Hey, it's a $100 drop fee.
What the fuck is going on right now? Babe, I'm about to fucking freak out.
Hey, is there any way?
When did somebody...
I was gonna say, I really can't afford this. No, she don't even know what's going on.
When did someone tell me...
Hand me the keys. Hand me the keys.
Josh, fucking...
Go inside.
I will fucking sue this apartment complex.
You got nothing to do with the apartment complex.
He can let my car go.
Just go inside.
Yeah, $100 drop fee, man. If she wants to pay it out, she can pay it out.
I ain't even got a 100. You don't need it.
Start cussing that, then
But she don't know what's going on.
I know, but hey, I know, but she don't understand, but she sees what they're doing. She knew, man. It's gonna cost her $100. But I got it, you know, I gotta be real on my end too.
You know nothing to do about it, I guess.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's the receipt. She wants to pay a $100 drop fee, she can pay it. Came out and run her mouth and asked me what the blank this was. These ribbons are up here for a reason. She's going to the office. I'm gonna go ahead and load the car. We are gonna run back into this girl. I can guarantee it. We're gonna have some problems with this girl. This ain't over with yet. I gotta get this other one. Anyway, we're gonna roll up here to the office. That's where she went to. The girl went to the office. And she's pissed. I know she is, but there ain't a whole lot I can do except tow these cars. That's what they want. They want the cars towed, so we're towing. And she's gonna be pissy up here at the office. Here she is too.
Thank you. Bye. Hey.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is there any way that I can just pay you?
It's a $100 drop fee is all it is.
I only have $50 cash. I can give you 50 cash right now.
Yeah, you can pay on a debit. It's not my money, it's company. I mean, you can pay with a debit too. It's company. It's not me put 50 in my pocket.
Can you please put my car down, please? I don't have money for this.
Listen, I understand.
I apologize.
Let me call my boss and see what he says. If he says yeah, to take the 50, then I'll do that.
Okay.
I am over here at Holland Park. I got two on the hook, and I got a girl that's been an issue. She's been to the office and all that shit. Anyway, she wants to pay it out. She's got 50 bucks is all the money she's got. She's sitting there crying. I don't know what you want to do. Okay, I got two more to bring to the yard right now anyway. That's fine. I'll take the 50. You got it. All right. Yep. Hey, the boss said you can pay 50.
Really?
Yeah, he said that. And I'll give you a receipt on it. Hey, it does run, right?
It what?
The car runs?
Yeah, it runs.
Okay, listen, I'm going to drop the one I got right here. And I'm going to pull right up here and drop yours and you can pay the 50.
I think I learned a valuable lesson.
Just if you got to go get
on the counter.
you got to go get the money.
Okay,
I'm not going to leave. I'm going to drop this one and I'm going to be right here on this section right here.
Okay, I'm really sorry.
That's fine.
Move it.
She paid it out. She paid the car out. Everything's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. She paid it out. I'm gonna back up here and drop it for her.
Let me tell you what happened. I was in the office.
Hey, you got the key? I'm gonna pull right here and we'll drop it because you're going down here anyway. I think I can make that corner with the cones. We're gonna go down here and drop it. Thank you. Yeah, you got no problem. There's your receipt. Hey, I'm gonna drop it down. I'm just gonna back it up and let you pull off on it.
Appreciate it.
Okay. Anyway, it seems to be another side to the story. She left where I was at and went marching up to the office and ran up in the office on was active belligerent with the office. I'm sure she was. I don't think she meant to react like that, but she reacted negatively. And the people in the office, you can't run up in the office on them people. They'll push back, or they'll fight back with you. There's no question about that. These office personnel, they're used to people coming in bad. You come rushing in there on them, you run into a problem. And that's what happened. Well, the police got called, so they're trying to hash everything out, figure out what exactly transpired, but we already know what happened. There's plenty of drama, I can tell you that. But hopefully this is all settled, and it'll all smooth out. Because I don't think anybody really needs to get in trouble for anything. Nobody got hurt. Exchange of argument, exchange of words. Somebody may have got pushed or whatever, but at the end of the day, nobody got punched in the face. Nobody got kicked. just let it go. It don't mean nothing. She got her car back for a reduced rate. She needs to let it go. Anyway, it is what it is.